In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay a slide presentation in Google Slides right from your PC. Whether you're preparing for a seamless presentation or just want to enjoy the flow without manual intervention, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Slides. You can easily do this by typing Google Slides into your browser's search bar or directly entering the URL docs.google.com presentation. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that next. Simply use your Google credentials to access your account, making sure to remember them safely for future use. Once you're signed in, head over to the Google Slides homepage. This is where you'll be greeted with all your existing presentations. For our purpose today, we'll start fresh, so click on the option that says blank presentation. This will create a new slide deck that you can customize as per your needs. Now that you have your blank presentation open, direct your attention to the top menu and click on View. This will unfold a drop-down menu filled with various options to adjust how you see your slides. From this list, select Slideshow. Doing so transforms your current view to a full-screen slideshow mode, offering you a preview of how your slides will appear to an audience. Next, while still in slideshow mode, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see an inconspicuous navigation area. Move your cursor down there and a few control icons will appear. Among these controls, identify the three dots icon. It represents more options. Clicking on these three dots will further expand into a menu of different functionalities. Here, you'll want to select Autoplay. This handy feature allows your slides to progress automatically, freeing you from manually advancing them. Once you enable autoplay, you will usually find additional options to set your desired time interval between slides. This time setting can be crucial depending on the nature of your presentation, so consider how much time each slide will need to effectively communicate to your audience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Google Slides presentation will now run automatically on your PC, providing a polished and professional delivery every time. Keep in mind that having a stable internet connection is key to ensuring everything runs smoothly. So whether it's for a business meeting or a school project, enjoy the simplicity and professionalism that auto-playing slides offer. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Goodbye and happy presenting.